Hey guys, at George Floyd Park after dark. Hey, we are here at where? The Swan, if you can't tell. We're not here to see the fountain. We're here to see the hotel. All right, so Swan. Swan is right near the EPCOT resort area. It's across the waterway from Boardwalk, and I'm about to get hit by a car. And Beach Club and Yacht Club. It is right near the Dolphin, and it's also very much near the Swan Reserve. So, what is the Swan? The Swan is a beautiful hotel that is actually a Marriott hotel. This is the lobby section. You go through their doors. It's exceptionally loud tonight. There's cheerleader championships going on, so they got a lot of activity. But so the Swan is a Marriott property, not a Disney property. It's the only non-Disney hotel on Disney property. This is it. The ones over out Disney Springs are actually not on Disney property, but Disney Springs. So we're in lobby sections. Middle table typically is decorated beautifully. They have one of the best. They call it a Disney Planning Center, but it is a great Disney merchandise store. It's right in here, and they have an amazing amount of stuff. But let's go straight through. So you go straight down through the lobby section. Now we're going around on one side because all the smoke coming through, but what you come to is that. So bottom line, this is one of the prettiest hotels. Now, you are not on Disney, so it's not heavily Disney themed because it is not a Disney hotel. We know that. So it's great that things like that. The ceiling is covered in flowers. All you have beautiful things are the dolphin, the swan, and straight down the middle here. That's back to the lobby, the door we came in at. And then it's flanked off either side. Now down this side, there is a long hallway that goes down to stormtroopers and down towards the rooms. Down this hallway, and this is kind of where I want to take you, they have the Java coffee and sweets. And then straight down through here, it goes into the meeting rooms and the conference center. The one thing they have at Swan is the conference center. So there's conference rooms down that way. But if you go immediately to your right, when you get to this point, there's another set of doors. And these doors go out to this amazing courtyard. Now, I will tell you, you will miss this and miss this and miss this. So you got two more Swan, another Swan fountain. Behind it, that triangle, that's the Dolphin. And we'll show you how they connect. But that's the Swan, the Dolphin, and the triangle. And it's great. You have all these rooms. These are the hotel rooms up above there, right? And over here. So they kind of cover this interior courtyard. But it has this great cafe lights. There's beautiful seating out here. This is a great spot, a great space. So we're going to come in through the side here. We came in one way, we're going to go out another. Let me show you something else real quick. Straight across the way, I'm not going to have to do it, we just did it. There's another Swan fountain area, another courtyard. But now, we're going to orient you. So real quick, those are the Swans inside, right by the front lobby, so they take a straight shot. The two quarters on either side, and straight back, you get this little rotunda area. Great little chandelier section. And they have this. This is their steak joint that just actually opened. Which is fantastic. I'll try to show you in here. It's really kind of neat. And then down this way, here is chill, and they have their frozen drink section. So you can get your frozen when it's open, alcoholic and non-alcoholic frozen drinks. And then keep going straight down this section. And this is things you'll miss if you're not looking. This little hallway. And now we're kind of going around the courtyard, because there's that courtyard we were just in. Right? They're just in that spot. Now we're coming down a hallway adjacent to it. And there's two restaurants out here. Kimonos is right there. Okay, somebody's singing really well right now, doing karaoke. And that is a sushi spot, and they do a lot of karaoke they're doing right now. This is the Garden Grove, and this is actually their cake decorating bakery. Now it's open. Now that is a beautiful cake for somebody's wedding. Wow. And then here's another one. It looks like they're doing some cakes, obviously, prep. And you can watch it get done, but that's not it. Now the Garden Grove is right here. Garden Grove is a restaurant in the back. Now what's great about the Garden Grove is that there's actually a tree. Now, with lanterns, with Japanese lanterns, and it's this beautiful round restaurant with a really neat ceiling, and it's just an awesome space. Obviously closed, because what do we do? Floor parks after dark. We come at night when nothing's open. So we're gonna walk back out and check that out. Okay, so let's start walking down the hallway. So we saw the two restaurants. We're going back past Kimonos, and they're doing karaoke, and what is coming out of this is beautiful. Whoever's singing is amazing. That's good. So we keep going straight, and we're going back towards the steakhouse. Garden Grove behind us. There's a step out here to the rotunda again. To our right would be the lobby, and to our left is what kind of makes this a really special space. And I'll show you why. Totally differentiate. So we came in from our right, we're going to our left, and we're going to finish that up. There's these exit doors that go out this way. So hold on. Yeah, you got the right side. Okay. And you come out to this section. Okay. That is the dolphin. That is just an amazing space. So what connects the dolphin and the Swan is this walkway. There is an actual conference must be going on here. There's one of the areas. What they do is a lot of conferences that share the space in between. This is just beautiful. That's what's going on here. But look, the lights change. Love this space. At Christmas, they had the lights synced to the music. It was really an awesome spot. So what they've done is they've added this. You now have the Swan sign in front of the Swan. And you turn around and you go all the way down there. It has the dolphin sign in front of the dolphin. But this is just a great spot. Now I'm going to blow your minds for a moment. Directly across the way there, you see those lights right there? That's the entrance to Boardwalk at Epcot. So the Boardwalk is directly across the water from here. Yacht and Beach are over there, and you're walking distance from here to Epcot. You can walk from here to Epcot. You also walk from here to Hollywood Studios. There's a path down underneath that bridge to your right that goes all the way to Hollywood Studios. There's also water taxis that go to Hollywood Studios and take you from here over there towards Epcot or to any of those hotels. There are 6 hotels right here in this close area. There's the 3 Disney hotels and there's the 3 Marriott hotels. It is the greatest space. It is by far one of our favorite spots in all of Disney is this section. So we keep going straight down there. That's the dolphin, but we're not here to do dolphin. We're here to do the Swan today. So we'll turn back around and give you guys a great view of this hotel. So that is the Swan with the swans on top. Connected to the dolphin, adjacent to the Epcot Resort hotels. And guys, just so you know, when you come out of the Swan, and we're going back towards it, but if you come out to your right is that path over that bridge. That path over that bridge is what goes over to the Boardwalk and over to the Disney hotels. And what is really crazy cool is right through there is the Epcot Ball. So from that bridge, you have a fantastic view of the fireworks. I mean, mind-boggling view of the fireworks. So this is a Swan attached to the dolphin. We're about to go back into the Swan. But listen, guys, it's George Fuller Parks After Dark. This is a fantastic space. It is a non-Disney Disney hotel. It is considered deluxe. If you stay here, you get the early entry and you get to stay late on certain nights in certain parks. That's how cool this is. Also, you miss a little bit, tiny bit, of the Disney Premium because it's not a Disney hotel per se, but it will by far be worth time because you're so stinking close. But with that being said, guys, at George Floyd Parks After Dark, I need your favor. You guys got us at 10,000 subs. You get us at 11,000. It'd be fantastic. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we will talk to you guys later. Take care.